Boost your brain energy if you're over 50. What if you could think faster, remember more, and feel as smart as you did when you were 20, no matter how old you are right now? What if I told you that making your brain young and strong again isn't just a dream? It's real, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Now, before you think, oh great, another fake cure, just give me 15 minutes. Hello everyone, I am your trainer, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Doctor's Suggestions. What I'm about to share isn't some magic pill or expensive gadget. Real scientists have proven this works. And honestly, it's going to surprise you. Quick question. When did you last walk into a room and forget why you went there? Or try to remember an actor's name from that movie? You know, the one with the thing. Yeah, we all do this. But here's the good news. Your brain isn't broken. It just needs better fuel and care. What's really happening to your brain? Let me tell you about Genjum. She's 58 and works with numbers all day. She kept forgetting her clients' names. She'd lose her thoughts in the middle of talking. She felt like her brain was covered in thick fog most days. Sound like you? Well, Genjum didn't know something important, and most people don't know this either. The big brain lie. We've been told a big lie, that your brain gets worse as you get older. That's not true. Your brain at 50, 60, even 80 can be just as good as it was when you were 25. The real problem isn't getting older, it's not taking care of your brain. You wouldn't expect your car to run great without oil changes, right? But somehow, we think our brains should work perfectly while we feed them junk food and never give them what they need. It's like having an old phone and expecting it to run new apps without ever updating it. Good luck with that. Your brain can change and grow. Here's the exciting part. Scientists found out something amazing. Your brain can make new connections and even grow new brain cells at any age. They call this brain plasticity. I'm talking about 70-year-olds with better memories than 30-year-olds. 60-year-olds solving hard problems faster than ever. This is happening right now, all around us. Brain chemicals that make you feel young. Your brain runs on special chemicals. These decide how sharp and focused you feel. The main ones are dopamine for wanting to do things, acetylcholine for focus, and something called BDNF. Think of it as plant food for your brain. Want to know what's scary? Most people over 40 feel tired and foggy because their brains aren't getting these chemicals. But back to Genjum. After just 8 weeks of doing what I'm about to teach you, she wasn't just remembering names. She was learning new computer programs that people half her age couldn't figure out. So what changed? What's the secret that turned her foggy brain into a super fast thinking machine? How to feed your brain right. Okay, time for the good stuff. The simple things you can do to turn your brain from an old, slow car into a race car. Tip 1. Start your day right. Your brain uses more energy than any other part of your body, but most people feed it junk. Start your morning with these 3 things. Good fats, like from nuts or eggs, protein, and what I call brain berries. Blueberries, blackberries, any dark berries. Why? Your brain loves the energy from good fats, and berries clean up the bad stuff that makes you feel slow. Think about it. Would you put cheap, bad gas in a nice car? Your brain can tell the difference too. Tip 2. Drink more water, the right way. This will shock you. if you're just a little bit dehydrated, we're talking just 2%, your brain works 23% worse. That's like going from clear TV to fuzzy TV in your thinking. But it's not just about drinking more water. Your brain needs salt, too. Add a tiny pinch of good sea salt to your water or eat foods with natural salts. How much water did you drink today before watching this video? If you have to think about it, your brain is probably thirsty right now. Tip 3. Feed your brain the right fats. Your brain is 60% fat. Not just any fat, special kinds that help your brain cells talk to each other. The most important, omega-3 fats. Studies show people with more omega-3s have brains that look 2 to 3 years younger. We're talking about actually having a younger brain. The best sources? Fish like salmon. But if you don't eat fish 3 times a week, and let's be honest, who does? A good fish oil pill can help a lot. Tip 4. Give your brain a break. This might surprise you. When you stop eating for 12 to 14 hours, like from dinner to breakfast, your brain starts making more of that plant food I mentioned earlier. I'm not saying starve yourself. Just don't eat late at night and wait a bit longer before breakfast. Many people do this naturally when they stop snacking after dinner. Tip 5. Fight stress before it hurts your brain. Too much stress actually makes your brain smaller, especially the part that helps you remember things. But certain natural plants can protect your brain and even fix the damage. Ever heard of adaptogens? These are nature's stress fighters. Plants like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and lion's mane mushroom help your brain handle stress instead of being hurt by it. I started taking lion's mane 6 months ago. Within 2 weeks, I could remember words so much better. Those annoying, it's on the tip of my tongue moments almost stopped completely. What happens when you do this? Let me tell you what your life could look like when you do these things every day. Remember Genjum? 3 months later, she got promoted at work. Not because she had more experience, but because her brain was sharper and faster than everyone else in the room. Your brain in 90 days. Week 1 to 2, you'll think clearer and have fewer brain fog moments. Week 3 to 4, you'll remember things way better. Names, faces, where you put your keys. Week 5 to 8, hard problems will feel easier to solve. Week 9 to 12, people will start saying you seem really sharp and full of energy. But here's the best part. This is just the start. Your brain keeps getting better as long as you keep taking care of it. What happens if you don't start? I need to be honest with you. Every day you wait, your brain is getting older. The brain connections you don't use, they disappear. That mental energy, it's slipping away. The difference between someone who starts today and someone who says, "I'll start Monday," adds up fast. We're talking about having a sharp, strong mind versus, well, you know what happens when you don't take care of it. What you should do right now. Here's what I want you to do. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Pick just one tip from today's video. Maybe it's taking fish oil, or not eating after dinner, or just drinking better water. Do it for 7 days and notice how you feel. I promise you, you'll see a difference. Join others who are doing this. The people who succeed don't do this alone. They connect with others who are doing the same thing, share their wins, help solve problems, and keep each other going. So here's my question. Are you ready to join people who refuse to let their brains get old and slow? People who are working to unlock their brain's young energy? Start today. If this video showed you what's possible for your brain, no matter how old you are, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This is just the beginning. I make new brain-boosting videos every week. I share advanced tips, talk about new research, and tell stories about people just like you who made their brains work better. Your brain is either getting better or getting worse. It never stays the same. Every day you wait is a lost chance, but every day you help your brain gets you sharper thinking, better memory, and more mental energy. Your 20-year-old brain was amazing, but your brain today, it has something even better: wisdom, experience, and now you know exactly how to make it powerful. The question isn't whether you can get your sharp mind back. The question is, are you ready to start today? Hit subscribe, try one tip from today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. We're going to talk about the exercises that can actually grow new brain cells in just 30 days. Your young brain energy is waiting.